Hi, hello. This is Lucky. This video tutorial, I want to teach you how to mix electrolysis enhancer. Okay, first things first, we have here empty glass, then spoon, then Japanese sea salt. So if you buy this in our office, it will cost you 285 or yes, $7 or okay. Okay, procedure. You have to first our ratio of mixing the sea salt, Japanese sea salt, and 7.0 pH clean water. Okay. Yes, I have to. First, the ratio is 1:2. Yes. So, so you put salt. Okay. Salt. Okay. So. Okay. Gas. And another thing, you have empty. This already mixed. So you have to this empty PET bottle. So to put the mix of sea salt and okay, this okay, this is 1:1 ratio. I will decrease. Okay. So maybe it's better as. So 1:2 ratio. So I put out 1/3 of this glass. Then I will mix. Okay. But I'm going to put a half glass there, water. So clean water. I have to open it. Okay. First, okay. To get clean water, so maybe half of this. Okay. So half. Then I will. Oh. Okay. Then we'll go to mix. Okay, mix it. Stir. Okay, stir. Okay. And after you stir, you try to pause. Leave it that way to that way for a moment. Okay, if you notice that the salt is goes down, so leave it for the 15 seconds. Check if the salt is all the way down. Okay. So check it, try to leave it that way. Okay. Okay. Check. If the salt is all the salt, the remaining salt is on the bottom of this glass, you will then open your empty container. Okay. Yes, empty container. Then okay. So I'm doing this way because if the water is already salted, you cannot dissolve the remaining salt here. So you have to get clean water again. Okay, clean water again, then stir. Okay. So remember, I put half. So so I will put two-thirds, because I put a half, so two-thirds to make our ratio accurate. So I will put two-thirds here. Okay, then stir. So okay, yeah, stir. Maybe you can make the ratio is 1:3. It's good. So 1:3, it's better. Okay, stir again. And after the salt is dissolved, okay. Okay, like that. Dissolve. Remember, if the water is already salty, you cannot dissolve the remaining salt. You have to pour it in your empty PET bottle or your container of salted enhancer. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you put it again here. Okay. Okay. Then okay. Maybe it's 250 ml. So I put a 1/3 here. So I make maybe it's 350 ml. What's this? So, yes, that's so it's you can save a lot of you can save more. Okay, this is a 1 kilo Japanese sea salt. You can make at least 20 of these like this container. So it's only cost you 500 pesos for this one. So if you buy this, it's almost 285. So this, it will make 20 of this like this container. So 285 times 20, 485 pesos, may it 570 something, 570 pesos. Ay, sorry, 5,000. Sorry, 285 times 20 is 5,000. Almost 5,000. Okay. 285, so 5,750. It will cost you 507. But if you buy this is only 500 pesos plus shipping costs. It's you can save a lot. So I hope you guys you will learn something how to save enhancer. Very economically wise. You can buy this. Comment down below. Then watch our videos to how to do it. Okay, bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.